Are you tired of letting fear hold you back? Do you wish you could overcome your fear of failure once and for all? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to conquering the fear of failure. So, let's get started. Step 1. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Rather than seeing failure as something negative, view it as a chance to grow and improve. Remember, every successful person has faced failure at one point or another. Step 2. Set realistic goals. Break down your big goals into smaller, achievable milestones. This will help you build confidence as you make progress towards your ultimate objective. Step 3. Take action. Don't let fear paralyze you. Start taking small steps towards your goals, and as you gain momentum, your fear will start to fade away. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with supportive and encouraging people who believe in your abilities. Their positive energy will help you stay motivated and confident. Step 5. Practice self-compassion. Understand that making mistakes is a part of the learning process. Treat yourself with kindness and forgive yourself when things don't go as planned. Step 6. Visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and visualize the positive outcomes. This will help you build confidence and reduce anxiety. Step 7. Celebrate progress. Remember to celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may be. Celebrating your achievements will boost your confidence and motivate you to keep pushing forward. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to conquering the fear of failure. Remember, it's all about changing your mindset, taking action, and surrounding yourself with positivity. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success and never let fear hold you back again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.